Welcome to Gyan Niketan Girls School. Today we will discuss how to insert audio, video and image in your web page. Let's start to understand how to insert audio in our web page. For this, we can use audio tag. Audio tag is an empty tag which is used to insert audio in our web page. It contains different attributes like source, control, autoplay, height, width and loop. Here we are going to discuss about the syntax of audio tag. Audio use control attribute to display the control on a screen. Autoplay used to play your audio automatically. Loop is used to play your audio continuously. SRC stands for source. It is used to insert the audio source in our web page. Border is used to modify the outline border of audio. Height and width is used to resize the screen of audio which we want to insert in our web page. For this, if you are going to insert the syntax like this, you will see the output like this. Here, the audio window is visible, which is used to display the control option of audio. Here, the play menu, sound and etc. controls are showing here. We just use all these controls to play our audio as per our wish. The next, we want to insert video in our web page. To insert a video, we should use video tag in our web page. Video is similar to audio, but here we can use a different file source to insert video. For example, we should use a video file with MP4 extension and WMF extension. We can also use to display the control and autoplay of video to display on web page. Here, it will show the navigation of controls so that user can customize the display of video while execution of the web page. It also contains height and width attribute to resize the video. So here, a list of attributes which we can use with video tag is SRC for source, controls to display the control during execution, autoplay to play it automatically, height and width to resize the video window and loop to play it continuously. In the next example, here you can see the syntax of image tag. To insert an image, we should use img tag. Img tag is an empty tag. It contains different attributes. These attributes used to customize your image. Here, the attributes of image tag is listed below. The first attribute is SRC. SRC stands for source. It contains a path of image and a source of image which we want to insert in our web page. The height and width attribute is used to resize the size of image. Align attribute used with image tag to set the alignment of image in left or right. Here, the align attribute contains only two attribute value, left and right. To align this image in a center, we should use center tag. In the note I have given, to insert an image in center, we should use a center tag. Center tag is a container tag. It is also known as formatting tag. This tag is used to insert any object in a center of the web page. The border attribute used to customize your image with a thick or thin border. For this, we should use border attribute with integer number. Like if you want to make the thick border, you should use 20, 10 numbers as an attribute value. The last attribute of image tag is ALT. ALT stands for alternate text. It is used to provide an alternate name to your image, which will be visible during the execution of your web page. To see the alternate text, we should click on the web page so that it will display the alternate name of an image. Apart from this, like image tag, audio tag and video tag, we can use only one tag to insert all these things, but it acts like an embedded object. So for this we can use embed tag. Embed tag is also an empty tag. This tag we can use to insert image, audio and video, all the things at the same time in our web page. Embed contain a attribute SRC, which stands for source. Here the source can be an image file, video file, audio file, web page, etc. In this example you can see embed SRC is equal to a.mp4. This mp4 extension shows that file name A belongs to a video file. Similarly, in the next example you can see A is .mp3. Here mp3 shows that it is an audio file. So embed can be used to insert an audio file also. Like this, in the below example you can see src is equal to a.jpg. Here jpg shows that A is an image file. So like this you can insert all these objects in your web page by using the embed tag. This embed tag does not supported by Internet Explorer, so you have to run these programs on advanced browsers like Windows, Firefox and Google Chrome. Thank you. अब देखते हैं इसको सुन के कैसा है.
इसी पे रिकॉर्डिंग की हुई